Hello everybody, my name is Aryan Prashant Agrawal and I study in grade 9. Today I am going to be discussing an extremely important topic that can interrupt some great and important projects in the upcoming future. First, let's say you were given the opportunity to travel not just around the globe but around the cosmos. Would you take it? If you were a curious one like me, then you would seize the opportunity. Well, why wouldn't you? Who would not want to see the stars and planets up close in a way they have never experienced before? Well, with exploration technology advancing very rapidly, it has become easier to send spacecrafts to space than ever before. So, going to space isn't going to be a problem. Or is it? Ironically, the future of space technology isn't going to be the hindrance, but our past and whatever remains of it. I'm pretty sure many of you would have heard about SpaceX and its plans regarding the same, and many of you would have imagined traveling in space. Now let us close our eyes and imagine that at this moment we all are in the same rocket propelling towards Mars. And then suddenly, something as small as a hairbeat, marble or dice comes crashing into the window of the rocket through which we are looking at our beautiful planet Earth. And the next thing we realize, the rocket we are traveling in is damaged and there's no way of escape. Well, we know what the ending is going to be. But what are these small things that came and damaged the ship? Well, these things are called space debris. Now, what is space debris? Well, space debris or space junk is all the unwanted or disassembled pieces and particles of a satellite or rocket left behind in the Earth's orbit during any mission and launch. Space junk is very dangerous as these pieces orbit the Earth where most of our satellites are present. They travel at extreme velocities, and when I say extreme, I mean extreme. Space junk can impact other objects at over 22,300 miles per hour. It's more than 20 times faster than a speeding bullet. Well, more than 30,000 known man-made fragments larger than about 4 inches, which is a little wider than 2 golf balls, roam around our planet. An estimated of 500,000 pieces between 0.4 and 4 inches across join these larger fragments. Collisions with these tiny pieces often leave pits and dings in many satellites, telescopes, and other objects orbiting our planet. Now, from where do we get this information, or how do we get this information? See, let me tell you, the United States Department of Defense monitors the debris with its Space Surveillance Network. The group is tasked with detecting, tracking, and cataloging the many human-made items swirling around the planet. Using a global network of telescopes and monitoring of these debris is very important for various space organizations. Let me give you an example. Well, NASA's ground control warns the International Space Station if any debris large enough to damage the International Space Station is near it. It tells them to dodge these particles, as it is very hard to counter the speed of these debris. The rising population of space debris increases the potential danger to all space vehicles, but especially to the International Space Station, space shuttles, and other spacecrafts with humans aboard. Well, some of these pieces burn while coming back to Earth, but most of the pieces still stay in space. As of now, space junk is only a danger for orbital spacecrafts and not rockets, but are potential dangers in the future. Various space agencies around the world are working on finding a solution that involves lasers, harpoons, nets, and a lot of money. Now, this speech raises awareness on the importance of our space. Now, let us imagine our driveway was covered in snow or any other garbage. Your vehicle would not be able to leave the garage unless you clean your driveway. Just as it is important to keep your home clean so that you have a home to live in, it's also important to keep your driveway clean so you will be able to drive your vehicle wherever you want to go. It's pretty obvious that in this metaphor, the home is our planet Earth and the driveway is our space. After all, we really don't want a tiny marble to crush our dreams to explore the unknowns of space. Thank you.